Step 1. Find your passion and turn it into a cash cow. Pick a niche that you're crazy about. I mean, we're talking about something you could talk about all day and still have that spark in your eyes. Find that sweet spot where your passion meets the people's demands and you've got yourself a recipe for success. Step 2. Create a killer brand that pops. You know how they say first impressions matter. Well, that couldn't be more true on YouTube. You want to be unforgettable, right? Then slap on an awesome channel name that sticks in people's minds. But wait, there's more. Design a logo that screams I'm the boss and dazzle your viewers with jaw-dropping channel art. When they land on your page, they won't want to leave. Think about what sets you apart from the rest and make sure your brand reflects that uniqueness. A killer brand is like a magnet, attracting viewers like bees to honey. Step 3. Content is king, baby. This is where the magic happens. Consistency is the name of the game, so create a schedule. If you can upload regularly, your audience will know when to expect your awesomeness, and they'll keep coming back for more. It's not just about quantity. Make sure your content is so good that it leaves your audience begging for more. Remember, quality over quantity will keep those viewers hooked. Step 4. Win the SEO game and get your videos noticed. Now, I know what you're thinking, SEO. Isn't that some nerdy stuff? Well, let me tell you, it's your secret weapon to getting discovered in the vast YouTube universe. Do your research. Find those goldmine keywords and sprinkle them like confetti in your titles, descriptions, and tags. You'll be amazed at how this little trick can make your videos pop up in search results like a pro. Get those eyeballs on your content and watch your views soar. Step 5. Monetize like a boss. We're all here to make bank, right? Time to cash in on your hard work. When you hit those eligibility criteria, join the YouTube Partner Program and start raking in that sweet ad revenue. Snag those sponsorships, create merch that your fans will adore, and ride the affiliate marketing train to make that moolah rain. Diversify your income streams like a savvy business person, and you'll be on your way to that $10,000 a month dream. Step 6. Engage and keep the party going. It's not a one-way street here. It's a party and everyone's invited. Don't be a party pooper. Let's keep the celebration alive. Respond to those comments like you're chatting with your besties. Show your viewers some love. Take their suggestions seriously and get them pumped up about what's coming next. A lively community is a happy community. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Build that fan base that'll have your back through thick and thin.